I kind of feel like a lot of people are not doing this, but it's very, very powerful and it's setting on playlists, right? So you want to set up your videos in a way where are organized, right? And you could have multiple different playlists. You don't have to have one. You could have playlists about anything, maybe video production, maybe audio production, maybe live streaming production. But at the same time, you could have a mix too. Don't get too complicated about this. Sometimes people get really complicated. Just set up playlists and utilize this. And one of the really good strategy is when you do a video, and let's say you do a video that is 5 parts, then you create a playlist on that 5 part video. So when you share the video in social media or with people, don't share just one video, share the playlist that have all 5 parts, and like that you get a lot of views. So welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you click like, the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. I definitely appreciate it. And we're going to share my screen right here, and we're going to go ahead and look at some of my playlists and how to set up a playlist. So here I am in my channel, brand new channel. I just started a couple months ago. I do have multiple other channels. And again, we're going to come up here to the top. We're going to click right here and we're going to go to YouTube Studio. And then obviously this is going to be the first page that you're going to, see. Obviously this channel is not monetized at all. Like I said, this is a pretty new channel. I'm very excited about it. And I've been working on it a lot. So all the way here to the left, it's going to say playlist. So click on the playlist right there. And then you're going to see some of the playlists that I have here. How to, YouTube, camera gear, gear review, Final Cut Pro. Again, a lot of different things right here. But all the way to the right, to the top, it says new playlist. You're going to click right there. Obviously, you're going to give it a title, and the title will be anything like, I'm going to just write test. But again, the title is going to be depends on what you're trying to do, right? So if you're doing a 5-part video, maybe that is the title, right? If you're doing how to, that is the title, YouTube, production, whatever it is, right? And then right here, you're going to do either public, private, or unlisted. Sometimes I do have private playlists. Sometimes I save videos that I want to watch in other occasions or whatever, or my own personal video. So maybe you put it in that private. Unlisted will be only the people that have that link will be able to see that playlist. So let's go to public and let's go ahead and hit create. And I just refresh it, the page right here, but you see it right here, right? So again, you can kind of click here on the pencil right there, and then it kind of gives you a little bit more information in this page right here. You could click a description. If you want to click the pencil and you could write a description. I definitely recommend you to write a description there. Maybe you write something like, in this playlist, we are covering whatever, right? So again, you could do that, click save right there. And again, title. But what I wanted to do now is that I want to go to my channel, right? I want to go to my channel and I want to go to my content and maybe go ahead and add up a couple videos. This is something else that you could do, by the way. You could get a couple different videos and create a playlist. So let's go ahead here. As you can see, these ones are in the how-to on YouTube. I'm going to click test, right? So let's click save. I'm going to do one more. And okay, I just add up 2 different videos to this playlist. We're going to refresh this and you can see the 2 videos right there. So again, what I like to do is that instead of sharing a video, I want to go here and click play all, right? So one of the biggest, as you notice, here's the video. But if you notice right here to the right, here is the videos in the playlist. So very, very simple. The strategy here is that somebody could be watching this video, and if it's really interesting and this is part 1, maybe they jump to part 2, right? So I'm talking about how to find video ideas for YouTube. Here I'm talking about how to premiere video on YouTube, right? So again, you have the ability to potentially get more views. And if you go into the URL, you could simply just copy that link and then share. Instead of sharing a video, you're sharing a playlist. Okay, so one last thing that I want to mention. If you go back to your playlist right here and you click on the pencil, if you click on this 3 dots right here, you got a couple different choices from here as well. You could click on add videos from here and you could actually search for the video and add it up to that playlist. It doesn't have to be your video. It could be, based on a URL or something like that, right? So you have that choice. You do have a choice to collaborate. So again, I haven't messed with this as much, but you do have that choice right there. You could delete, which if you click here, obviously you click delete and it's delete. But I also like this one right here, the playlist list, and I'll use this all the time. Add new videos to the top of the list. So if you click this, yes, what it means that every time you upload a video, it's going to show in your page first, right? You want to show your most current videos, not your old videos. And then you could set this as an official playlist. So very simple, guys. I show you how to create a playlist, put some description in there, how to add up some videos to that playlist, and finally, how to share your playlist to other social medias. I think it's really a good strategy to do. So very simple. Make sure you utilize that. You need everything you can to help you to be successful here in YouTube. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.